Withdrawing money from your Xbox account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in using the credentials associated with your Xbox account. Make sure you have access to the email and password link to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Payment and Billing section. Once signed in, locate the Payment and Billing section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods and view your account balance. Step 3. Check your account balance. In the Payment and Billing section, look for your account balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds available for withdrawal. If you do not see a balance, you may need to check if you have any credits or rewards that can be withdrawn. Step 4. Select withdrawal options. Find the option for withdrawing funds or transferring money. This may be labeled as withdraw funds or transfer to bank account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. Input your bank account information as requested, including account number and routing number. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation of the withdrawal request. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transaction to complete, which may take a few business days.